what's up? This is my 2000 Camaro. It's an SS, SLP options. It's got SLP headers, wide pipe, less restricted cats, 3-inch, goes all the way back to Flowmaster. As you can hear, it sounds pretty good at idle. But yeah, this is for Mike. And yeah, it's got T-tops, leather, fucking blows ice cold, which is nice on a day like today. It's got 95,000 miles currently. It's my baby. It sounds really good. You can hear it on the inside. Sounds pretty good in here. But anyway, that's pretty much it. It's a nice car. It's in good shape. Yeah.